Hello everyone, this is Pauks the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Have a look at Ira, she is wearing a bomber jacket. We could tell you that the jacket was made by her, but it wouldn't be true. The bomber jacket was made for Kate. Do you remember her? Kate is a student, so she's free only in the evenings. I really wanted to show you this bomber jacket, so I asked Ira to try it on. I think that the jacket is very beautiful, so I want to show you all the details. Kate will come for it when she's free. We've already showed you some of the bomber jackets made in my fashion house. Let's have a close look at this one. The techniques for making bomber jackets are pretty complicated. There is a zip on the center front. It's edged with facing. The jacket is made of the pretty strong glittering fabric. It's pretty warm. Yes, it is. I feel very cozy wearing this jacket. I love it. There are also pockets on the front. We've already showed you several different types of the pockets. These ones are very comfortable. Ira, turn around, please. The jacket is very beautiful and comfortable. I really hope that Kate will be able to come for this jacket pretty soon. We haven't given it to her yet, because we really wanted to show you a review of this jacket. She wasn't able to come here to take part in this video, so we asked Ira to put the bomber on for the video. I'm going to make a course on how to make bomber jackets. You can also make bomber jackets on the basis of the tutorials on how to make coats without patterns. The pattern is pretty similar. I honestly don't recommend making bomber jackets on the basis of the basic patterns. I also don't recommend making bomber jackets of the straight square details. The armhole should be accurate. The sleeves shouldn't be square. This is very important. There are no darts or tucks in the jacket. Bomber jackets shouldn't be close-fitting. They should be loose, but at the same time not too baggy. It's pretty hard to work with such fabrics. It's not easy to make pockets in them, and it's also pretty hard to edge the angles. To insert zippers, elastics, you need to be very accurate when cutting the extra pieces from the details. What's also very important is to edge these angles accurately. The collar should be attached just to the main fabric. It shouldn't reach the zipper. Before turning the angles right side out, make sure that you cut all the extra pieces from them. This is very important. The angle should be accurate. Such fabrics should be ironed only through a piece of cotton fabric. Make sure that you iron only the seam. The steam can easily damage such fabric. The bomber jacket was made by the tailors of my fashion house. It's of a very high quality. Ira, unzip the jacket, please. Wow, it's beautiful on the wrong side as well. Have a close look here. The facing ends with an elastic. The jacket is lined. There is a hanger in the back neckline. I love the pockets on the front. The fabric we made the jacket of is pretty complicated. You can make bomber jackets of any fabric you like. Modern fashion allows us sewing and wearing anything we want. You can even make a bomber jacket of lace. I've seen a bomber jacket, which was made of jersey fabric and decorated with the lace sleeves. It was very beautiful. You can decorate the bomber jackets however you want. Try combining different colors and fabrics. Use your imagination to create interesting decorative details. Make bomber jackets for different seasons. I think that everyone should have a bomber jacket. They are very comfortable. You can wear it for a walk, when you go to a shop, or when you're driving. If you make a bomber jacket of lace or organza, you can wear it with different beautiful skirts or trousers. In this case, you can put a bomber on when going for a restaurant, for example. You don't even need to take it off. The jacket Ira is wearing now looks like a piece of outer clothing. Bomber jackets made of more sophisticated fabrics can be worn as blouses. I recommend decorating the back of the bombers with different details, appliques for example. They can be decorated with beads or crystals. We want to make a tutorial on how to do it. What do you think? Have a close look at the jacket once again. It's not only beautiful, but also comfortable. Such fabrics are pretty complicated to work with, but the result is worth it. Don't be afraid to use your imagination. That's all for today. Твоя паукшта Irina and Ira. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.